AVERA Environmental is on-site. Upon arrival, supervisor and team discuss scope of work. At this time, supervisor delegates tasks to each worker in order to begin the prepping of areas. 6mm poly sheeting is used to secure critical work areas such as doors and windows during this abatement project. The carpet padding has been safely removed and discarded as non-ACM waste. Prepping continues as a two-man team begin the setup of a one-stage decontamination unit. This is used for safe passage for both workers and generated waste during abatement process. While one team member steps into the pop-up, another passes PVC pipes inside to assemble it securely. This chamber is set up to be able to decontaminate before stepping to the outside. All the tools needed are placed inside the enclosure. Supervisor has a checklist he has to go through before starting the abatement process can commence. At this time, the ventilation systems are shut off at this time. Once our pre-checklist is complete, signage is placed at the entrance of the work area. This signage means suits and respirators are required when entering the regulated area. This space will be considered a regulated area when abatement starts. Signage can be posted in English or Spanish. Inside the enclosure, the negative air machine will exhaust outside the enclosure until the abatement process is complete. Water is inside a 5 gallons bucket and will be used as wet methods by means of an airless sprayer. Now, visual clearance passed. Abatement process can now start. Workers suit up in Tyvek suits, half-face respirators, goggles, and gloves before entering the negative air enclosure. Inside, wet methods are applied to the asbestos-contaminated ceiling using the airless sprayer, ensuring safe and efficient removal. Prompt cleanup is maintained throughout the process as workers manually remove asbestos-containing flooring. All generated debris is double-bagged and disposed of in a dumpster lined with 6mm poly. Once abatement is complete, tools and supplies are thoroughly decontaminated. The feeling of completing this abatement process is rewarding. After visual clearance passed and air samples taken by an industrial hygienist, our customer is ready to move forward with the next phase of the project. Mission accomplished. AVERA Environmental is off-site.